Alright, this is my Vizio. It's a 47-inch LCD. It's one of those old piece of shit ones. Yeah, because it's Vizio. It's not too clear, but it's the GV47L FHD TV 10A. The problem was that when I was watching it, all of a sudden I heard a big popping noise, and then it just completely went out. I turned the power button on, and I have the little Vizio lights up in white. When it's just on standby, it's in orange. So when I hit the power button, it goes to white, but there's no TV going on at all. So, quick overview. On either side, left and the right, these boards in here are the inverter boards that help monitor the backlight, turn them off and on both of those. This is the motherboard right here. That's my problem. And here goes the power board on the inside left, right down in there. In between there's a fuse, and it's a little, I believe it's a little 8 amp fuse. Somewhere hiding right now. I just had it out. Oh well, I'll have to grab that later. But it's a ceramic fuse. It's a little white one. Now, also on the board, there's 3 other fuses on the motherboard. It's these 3 that are right in there, the 1, 2, and 3. If you look closely on the board, it's labeled the opposite order, 1, 2, and 3. When I ran a continuity test on those, what I found out was that number 3 is blown. The fuse isn't any good, because when you're looking at your multimeter, it should be infinity for 1, and then when you're touching the 2 metal contacts that are in the copper color, what you're going to see is a resistance somewhere down close to 0. When it's above 0, or actually when it's like 1, 1.2, or just 1 to infinity, you have a blown fuse. It's kind of hard to do this with that. Let me see if I can get it. Let's see. Use my chow mein style here. Okay, there we go. Shiznit. If you look at the multimeter now, it shows 1 on that fuse. Conversely, if you go to the other opposite fuses, you'll see readings. Watching this is going to give somebody seasickness. See, that one goes to 0. That's a good fuse. Number 2 is also good. Number 3 is bad because there's no change at all. And this sends your 0.5 volt turn on signal to turn the backlight and the picture on and off. Yeah, there's nothing there. So that's the bad one. You can either go ahead and find an outlet that sells those fuses where you can replace them yourself, because on the back of the board it's pretty much a simple install if you can get the part. More than likely you have to order a new motherboard from online someplace for this TV. They range anywhere from 120 to 150 or so, not including shipping and handling. Grab a new one, install it, your TV's back up and good to go. I myself am probably going to end up and buy another, or actually go buy a Sharp Aquos instead of the fucking Vizio. Just because the Super Bowl's coming up and my fucking TV went out, so I gotta go. But hope that helps you out, and we'll see.